Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to start delivering with DoorDash. Stick around until the end to learn all the steps and tips to get set up, accept orders, and make the most out of your delivery experience. Let's get started. First things first, before you even begin your first delivery, you need to familiarize yourself with the DoorDash Driver App. This app will be your main tool, guiding you through each delivery and helping you make the most out of your time on the road. And if you have not already downloaded the DoorDash Driver app on your smartphone, this app is where you will manage everything from finding orders to completing deliveries. And once the app is open, you will see a heat map that highlights busy zones in different shades of red. Light red indicates busy areas, while the dark red means the zone is very busy. And the gray zones, however, are less active, and you would not be able to start dashing there right away. Now, DoorDash organizes deliveries by zones, and you must stay within your selected zone while working. So, pick a zone that is busy enough, indicated by the red on the map, to ensure you get consistent order. And once you have selected your zone, you can choose how long you want to dash. DoorDash schedules shifts in 30 minutes interval, but you can often extend your shift if you're already on the road and want to keep driving. Once you have picked your zone, drive to it and tap Dash Now button in the app. This confirms that you're ready to start receiving orders. But before you begin, the app will ask you to confirm a few things. Do you have enough gas? Is your smartphone charged? Do you have your DoorDash Red card? And a food delivery bag. So tap each item to confirm that you are prepared and then hit Start Your Dash. When you are dashing, the app will start searching for delivery requests. It is a good idea to wait near a hot spot. These are the areas with cluster of restaurants marked with red flame icons on the map, where you are more likely to get frequent orders, and once an order comes in, a request will pop up on your phone showing the restaurant, delivery distance, the payment for completing the order, and how many items are in the order. At this point, you can either accept or decline the order. If you are new, it is best to accept the first order and receive, even if the payment is not high. This will give you the opportunity to learn how the process works without worrying too much about maximizing your earnings just yet. After accepting the order, the app will guide you to the pickup location. You can use the built-in navigation, or you can set a default app like Google Maps for directions. And when you arrive, slide after arrival button to notify the app that you have reached the restaurant. At the restaurant, you will either pick up the order or in some cases, place the order yourself. Always double check the order to ensure it is correct. And make sure you have all the items including drinks, napkins and sauces. Once everything looks good, confirm the order in the app and you're ready to deliver. The app will now guide you to the customer's location. There are a few different ways to complete the delivery. First is hand to customer. The customer comes out to meet you. The second is door drop off. You go to the customer's door, knock or ring, and then hand over the order. And the third is leave order at door. For this, you simply drop the order at the customer's door and take a photo as proof of delivery. Once the delivery is complete, you will see a summary of your earnings, including base pay, any peak pay bonus, and tips. DoorDash sometimes adjusts this amount based on how busy the area was or if you completed the delivery during a peak time. That's all for today's video. Leave a comment and let us know if this is helpful. Thanks for watching.